this is how to play Animal Escape. In the space you are working in, create an area. This is the zoo. At the other end, create an area. This is the wild. Ask 2 children to wear a red sash, and they are the lions. Ask 2 children to wear a blue sash, and they are the hyenas. And ask 6 children to wear a blue sash, being the wildebeest. The other group are the zookeepers. Zookeepers, yeah, good work! In the wild, place all the equipment. The lions collecting the red equipment, the hyenas collecting the blue equipment, and the wildebeest collecting the green equipment. John, stop them throwing the equipment. Keep going, team! On the word go, the lions must return the food back to the zoo, but they can also tag the hyenas and the wildebeest. The hyenas can also tag the wildebeest. If they are tagged, they must drop the food and return to the zoo before trying again. At the same time, the zookeepers are trying to tidy the zoo of the food and return it back to the wild. The play game is complete when there is no food left in the wild. Yeah, you were tagged!